So today is going to be my January's Boxycharm. So this box is definitely a little bit thicker than normal. So this is January's box. I realize we are now in February, but this box took forever this month. And I'm not the only one that's been saying that. I was doing some research and apparently everyone's having problems with Boxycharm boxes showing up so late this month. Well, technically last month. There are people that haven't gotten their boxes yet. There's a lot going on right now with Boxycharm and I don't really know what the tea is on that. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. And if you guys are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of my upcoming videos. If you guys want to see what I got in January's Boxycharm, then just keep watching. This one is definitely wider this year. Well, I guess technically, yeah, this year. It's the beginning of the month or the year, so yeah. All right, so there is that. Let me just open this up, and of course, this is just the regular box. That's why it's the red inside. And like usual, it says Hello Charmer on here. And then this is the pamphlet for this month. This month, there's some a bubbly wrappy stuff, so can't really tell. I was trying to give you a sneak peek, but can't really see what's in there with that. I'm trying to hide it from me, I think. Anyway, so this month is Boxycharm Fresh Start, and that's what the thing looks like. So I have variation. Wait a minute. I don't know. So this is from last month, and that's the one for my, and the variation is down here. It's got the little heart, and then it says like this one was 59. They're doing something different this now. So I don't know what that is, but that's technically what it says. It's C210114-BA. And the heart. So if they're not going to give me a variation, I'm not going to, is that the actual variation? I don't know. All right. Now that I gave you a little bit of a sneak peek as to what is in this box because I showed you the back of this pamphlet, let's just dive right in and grab, honestly, let's just grab this. Okay. So everybody got one of these this month that I've seen. I do watch some of the videos to see kind of what everyone else is getting. And this is the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It's got papaya in here. Okay. And then of course it says made exclusively for Boxycharm, which is why I know everyone, well, almost everybody got something from this brand in their Boxycharm this month. So I only own a few other things from Farmacy, and it's all been because of Boxycharm. I haven't purchased anything from this brand yet. Not that I don't like it. I just, honestly, I haven't really used it. So this is what it looks like. And I know from other people's boxes that even though it looks like it's just the container that's green, it is actually green. Oh, So I don't smell any papaya in here. It's a very clean scent. Like it smells, well, very fresh, kind of airy. Doesn't smell like linens, but all right. So this Farmacy, I'm assuming it's a full size, but I mean, Boxycharm did make it, so I don't think it's like with them. So I don't think you can actually just go out and buy this one. But this says that it retails for $38. So up next is this here, and I don't quite know what this is. I know it's glass. I don't know if you can hear that. Something is moving around inside, and I'm not sure. Oh, what the fun? Okay. So this is what it is. This, I don't know if you can see that. It is from Lifestyle & Co. Los Angeles. It is quartz infused. So there are rose quartz at the very bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what's moving around. And this is the Reset Mist. Lavender body and linen spray. This is a $36 bottle of spray. Let's just see what it smells like. I don't know what's in it. It's lavender, I guess. It's probably gonna smell like lavender. Not really. That's weird. It doesn't really smell like lavender. What the heck else is in this? Oh, green tea oil infused body spray. That's what the sheet says. So that's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling the green tea in here. So it definitely smells more like green tea than it does like lavender. What the heck is this even for? Indulge in the lavender and green tea oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the reset mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep. Use as a toner on your face in the morning and enjoy the properties of green tea oil. Okay. Okay, so I was a little confused as to why we have a linen product in here, but apparently you can use it on your face, which I'm going to have to do a bit more research. Ignore my facial features. Okay, so I'm not really a huge fan of things that you double up on. Like, I understand if it's like a moisturizing spray as well as like a setting spray or a primer spray or whatever, things like that is fine. But when you want to mix things like linen spray and a face oil-y spray, I think that's very strange. The fact that you can have the right ingredients to spray this on your face and put it on your face as well as on your bed sheets, I think it's very weird. If you've been around this channel for a bit, you probably know that I don't really enjoy when they mix things like this together. I kind of like the fact that there's rose quartz at the bottom. When I'm done this, I'm probably going to take those out and use them for something, but maybe make jewelry out of it or something. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try that on my face. It's not going to be a bed linen thing. I am going to do some research on it though, because I really need to make sure that it's safe for my face. Okay, up next in here is something that looks like this. This is called Dragon Duo from Qveen. So it's from Qveen Studio, and it's a Dragon Duo. And I don't know what this, oh, it says that it's an eyeliner duo. So that's what the box looks like. I kind of love their logo, I'm not gonna lie. It's super cute. So this is what is in here. This is definitely a kohl eyeliner, I think. Yeah. So this is very kohl-like. It's a kohl eyeliner, so yeah. And this is in the color, it's black, obviously. It says that it's a Dragon Liner wax pencil, so, okay. And then there's this one, which is a marker. I'm assuming that it's black because that's what it looks like. Oh, there's a sticker on the bottom. It literally just says Dragon Duo. Oh, inky black pigment with a semi-permanent formula, or a semi-permanent, no, that's a hair term. Okay, with a semi-waterproof formula, choose your look using the Dragon Duo. So this duo is $28. Okay. All right, well, that's fun. To be perfectly honest, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to give that away. And I might not even use this one. All right, there are two more items in here, and this one is definitely a Boxycharm favorite product they love to throw in here. So this is from Dr.brant, and this is the DNA Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This is the size of it. It looks like it's a lip gloss container, but it has got 0.5 ounces of product. And this I'm excited for. I have gotten, obviously, some Dr.brant products in this Boxycharm over the last, I can't even tell you how long I've been getting Boxycharm for. Probably 4 or 5 years, actually. And everything that I've ever gotten from them, I love. There's only one product so far that I've gotten from them that I have repurchased, and that's an under eye cream that makes it makes it really smooth, which was amazing, and I definitely repurchased that. Everything else I just super love, but I can't justify spending the amount of money that it is for these. Speaking of the amount of money, This is an $82 eye cream. That's what I mean. This is an American price. So I'm really excited for this. So there's one more item in my Boxycharm, and this is the Velvet Palette by Ciate London. This is what the palette looks like. And it's got a nice kind of like velvety, it's not actual velvet, but it has like a nice velvety feel to it. That's the back. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So that's the eyeshadow palette. There are 12 eyeshadows in here. I think 4 of them are mattes. And then the other ones are apparently molten metal mattes. So there's mattes, hyper metallics, soft shimmers. So those are those ones. I kind of want to do swatches of them, but I really don't also. Because I don't think I'm going to end up keeping this palette. It's really, really nice and it's kind of cute. But I have a lot of pinks and purples. And I love pinks and purples, and because I already have another eyeshadow palette I really want, and it has similar colors to it, I can't imagine keeping this one. I mean, it would make sense to keep this one and not buy the other one, but the other one is my eye on for a little while. So this eyeshadow palette is a $30 eyeshadow palette, which is not bad. Ciate London is actually pretty expensive palettes in Canada. I have another one that was like $58, but it was the big one. It was the Chloe something one. But, all right, so that is everything in this Boxycharm. This month, I don't know why I said it like that. So the only things I'm really excited about are these 2 things. I will use both of them for sure. Maybe not this one. I will test this out and try it. And then the eyeshadow palette, I'm not too sure about. I do know that the kohl liner in this set, though, is going somewhere else. I'm not going to end up using it, so I might as well just give it to somebody I know that will use it. All right, so everything in my box totals up to this amount of money right here, which is pretty okay. Well, that was everything for this video. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!